Hi learners, hope you all are doing well. So, today we are going to learn the name of 10 terrestrial animals. Let's start. R H I N O C E R O S Rhinoceros. H Y E N A Hyena. R A C O N Raccoon. D E E R Deer. L E O P A R D Leopard. B U F F A L O Buffalo. P O R C U P I N E Porcupine. P A N D A Panda. H I P P O P O T A M U S Hippopotamus. B E A V E R Beaver. Thank you. Keep watching. Have a good day. Stay tuned to learn more.